getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about my extensions. I just got extensions, tape-in extensions put in today, and I am so excited about them. I thought they turned out so great. We vlogged a lot of the experience, so I will insert all the vlog stuff right now. I have before shots of my hair and then after, which is what it's like right now. And then I will kind of talk to you guys about where I bought the extensions and how they feel and everything. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see all about my extensions, just keep watching.
Okay, is it on?
Is it recording?
Yes.
Hi.
I think it's zoomed in. There we go. I'm gonna try and do it like Shane.
Don't do that.
Why?
Because. Okay, so we are on our way right now to go get my extensions put in. I'm super excited. We're gonna go get coffee first. For me and for Allison, my hairstylist. And I guess for Sage.
Yeah, baby.
She is my videographer.
Should I say hi to the camera?
Yeah,
I don't know if you can see me.
that was probably an awful angle.
Probably.
Straight up your nose, probably.
Whatever.
So, what are you gonna get?
I think I'm probably gonna get a peanut butter frap.
Okay. And then Allison said she wanted a lavender lemonade.
That sounds yummy.
I'll probably get a coffee frap with a shot of espresso.
Yummy.
Nope, that's it.
Alright, then for nothing grand with that medium peanut butter frap, no toppings. I have that medium lavender lemonade and then that ice mocha.
Yep.
12.20 grams of window, thank you.
Thank you. My fake voice. Thank you.
Seriously was not in focus that whole time, but now it is.
Of course.
Oh, there we go. That's a good angle. I've been holding it like this the whole time.
Yeah, I know you have. That's not a good angle at all.
My arms are too little for that. 92 degrees in this bad boy. Yup.
That's yours.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at this. Not in focus, but
Awesome,
we love
thank
it.
you.
Okay, we good? How are you feeling?
Excited. How are you feeling?
Exhilarated.
Okay.
I'm here for a good time. I don't know, it won't focus
I'm here
anymore.
for a good time, not a long time.
I say that a lot. Like seriously, me and Rihanna were eating like a whole bunch of like Cheetos or something, and she's like, "Oh my gosh, this is probably so bad," and I'm like, "I'm here for a good time, not a long time."
So we did a vlog style video. That was what you just watched. So pretty much I ordered these extensions on Amazon. They are Full Shine, which is the brand Full Shine hair extensions. I got 3 packs of these, which come with 20 pieces each, and you sandwich them together, so it made about 10 pieces each. So I bought 3, which is about 30, which I had a couple left over, but about 30 pieces in my hair. They were 50 grams each of hair. They're real human hair. They were dyed last night. So I gave these to my hairstylist when I got them, and I went in last week and got my hair trimmed. Then I went in yesterday and she colored my hair, so we did the darker up top and we went to this really cool brown on the bottom. And then last night she colored the hair extensions to match my hair, and then today we spent about 2 hours putting all of them in and styling them and cutting them, and I think they turned out so awesome. I seriously am so excited about it. They're really lightweight and they're not too heavy, which is really nice. They also blended into my hair really nicely. I did get, let me pull this up. I bought my hair extensions on Amazon. I know they have tons of different hair extensions, but these are the ones that I went with. They had a ton of great reviews. Most of the reviews were really good. When I got the hair in the mail, of course, I pulled them out. I felt them. They felt very nice. I really liked I bought 20-inch extensions, and she did end up cutting about 1 inch off the ends of them so that they looked good. So let me pull these up so I can show you. So these are Full Shine 20-inch 50-gram ombre tape-in hair extensions. I got the color 18, which is ash blonde fading color. So this is what they look like. Ignore the crack. But this is what they look like. And they were actually really pretty. The ombre on here was really nice and it didn't look too harsh. With some of the other extensions that I looked at, it was like one color and then like a straight line and then another color, so it wasn't really ombre. So I was pleasantly surprised when I got these in the mail.
Also, when I pulled them out, they felt so soft, and they still feel so soft. And this is after she colored and colored them, and they still feel so nice, and they straightened really nicely. I'm probably gonna end up curling them maybe tomorrow. I'm too tired today to curl them, but this is what they look like. I think they look so pretty. She did such a good job. My hairstylist is Allison, and I will put all her information, her Instagram, her Facebook, everything like that down below if you want to check her out. Show her some love because she did an awesome job. So these were $55.49 for each pack. Like I said, I bought 3 packs, and they went in my hair really nicely. When I asked Allison, she said to get 3 or 4 packs, but I think my hair is thin. She doesn't think my hair is thin, but I thought my hair was thin, so I thought 3 packs would be fine. And they did. They were fine. They went in. I feel like it doesn't look too thin towards the bottom here. You can see right here is like my natural hair. This is where my natural hair goes to. So my hair was already pretty, decently long. My hair would never on its own get longer than that. It gets to about right here and it stops and it doesn't grow anymore. So that's why I got extensions. So like I said, these were $55.49 each, which I think is a really great price. They're 50 grams in their packs, and I think when I was looking like at VP Fashion, they were 100 grams in their packs, but it was also double the price, which I don't know. That was too expensive for me. I did not want to pay $200 for 1 pack of hair. So I ended up getting these. The reviews were really good, and I looked at a lot of the pictures on the reviews, and they were really good. So out of 192 customer reviews, it has 4.6 out of 5 stars, which is really great. There are tons of pictures in here. And when I gave them to my hairstylist, she said that they felt really nice too. And when she put them in my hair today, she was like, they feel so nice. So I think that this so far has been a really great experience from this company. I'm really excited. I would definitely buy these again. Obviously I just put them in, but I will be doing an update in a couple of months on how they're wearing, how they're staying in my hair, how they feel after 2 months. I messaged the company to see if I could get any kind of discount code. So they did send a discount code. It is FSFlip5OFF. So I'm guessing that it's 5% off, but where they're already so cheap, any percent off would be awesome. I will put the links to these products down below. They did send me a link. I'm not sure if this link only works for this color of hair extensions, which I think is black. I'm not sure, but I will put it in the description box once I figure out if it's for any of the hair colors or the hair extensions, or if it's just for this certain one that they sent me. But there's a discount code that you guys can use if you want to purchase these and try them out. I'm actually really super excited. So I will put the links to the extensions that I got down below. And also, we thought, I changed my mind. I was totally going to do pink hair extensions. But after over a year and a half of having vibrant fashion colored hair, I just wanted normal hair color. I don't want to be worried about my hair fading so much and having to touch it up. That is why I went brunette. I'm really excited because I really love the color that we picked out, the color that it turned out. It's so cool. So I'm thoroughly impressed with these, especially how inexpensive they were and how nice they look after being colored. I'm super excited. Next time, if I do end up getting a new set, I would order a darker color so that the tape, you can see the tape right here, is darker, because these were blonde when I bought them because I thought that we were going to do a fashion color. I would definitely buy a darker set of extensions that were a little bit closer to what I have up here, which is a pretty dark brown. But so far I'm loving them. Like I said, I will do an update on how they wear and how long they wear before I have to take them out. After I take them out, if they're still holding up nicely and feel good, so that I can just put them back in my hair. I will let you guys know all of that in a couple of months once I've had them for that long. Like I said, I will link Allison's social media accounts down below so you can check her out, show her some love. I will also link the extensions I got and the extensions that they sent me to go with the coupon code down below so that you can save a little bit of coin. It's not an affiliate code. I don't make any money off of it, but I figured I would ask them for a discount code so that you guys could save some money. And let me know what you think about the brown hair. I have not had like brown hair in years, like probably 3 years, and for some reason I never like how I look with brown hair, so I've always had blonde, I've always had highlights, I've always had fun colored hair. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have tried any extensions from Amazon, let me know what ones you've used down below so I can check those out too. As of right now, I would totally repurchase these. I think that they're a great value, a great price, and the quality feels really nice, so I'm super excited to see how these hold up. I did film this makeup look. It was a get ready with us featuring my little sister, who was my cameraman today. So if you want to see that video, it will be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.